Can you contact Afterpay by phone? Today we will talk about if you can contact with Afterpay's customer service on the phone. Well, you won't be able to, get their contact number. However, you can actually do the same process in the mobile phone as well. You won't be able to call them or, directly get their phone number to call them and talk to them. You can do it. So, in order to get your issue resolved, you just have to be at your Google, and here you have to search for Afterpay customer service. Now, after that, you simply have to, go to the first website, which should say afterpay.com, and it will take you to the help center. As you guys can see, Afterpay Help Center. Now, here you just have to start looking for your error, and you will be able to find a possible solution. However, if you cannot, you just have to click on this, contact, and then you just have to, select how can I, send you guys a message. You just have to click on that, and there you go. You just have to click on this get in touch button. Now on get in touch button, you will be able to see different options. Here you have to select what are the problem you want to get fixed, and you just have to click on that, and there you go. You will easily be able to contact them using your email address, all of your things. In the description, you can write actually, custom thing. You can actually tell them to call me at this number, and they might be able to call you as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.